my channel. This is Technophil. In this video, we're gonna see about the Linux command lines. That was basic Linux command that used for further hacking courses. It will be running in the terminal of the Linux environment. We're gonna run here. Okay. I'm having the default username and the password. It's Kali. Okay, I'm just entering it. This is terminal. Okay, I'm just opening. File. For you, I'm gonna where it is. Preferences. For you, I'm gonna make a font size is bigger. Change size, increase. To just 25. Okay, somewhat bigger, right? Okay, it's enough. First command we're gonna run here is pwd, that is print working directory. It will print the working of the current directory. Okay, then the second command is cd. Cd is for change directory. If you click with the empty, it will be here in the current directory. Before that, we want to say, I want to tell you that ls is a short for list. What are the list is there? It will be showing cd. Just type one letter and enter the tab. Okay, it is showing what are the directories are in D. I will type desktop, so it changes. See here, while typing the cd, it changes to that directory. Here we can shortlist. I am not having nothing, I am having nothing in my desktop, so it's showing the blank space. Okay, I'm gonna create a file using the command called touch test.txt. It was created. Let us see here that test.txt is created here. Okay, we want to delete this by rm command, rm text.txt, so it will be deleted. See here, okay, shortlist here, nothing is there. Okay, we can create a folder also, mkdir. Its meaning is make directory. It will create a folder called text lsc. The normal files indicates in white color, the folder will indicate in the blue color. Okay, we can change the directory to the text. Okay, we can delete this folder also. Wait, I'm gonna show you. I'm coming back. See here, cd space 1 dot is for current directory. It will be in the current directory. Cd space double dot is to go back. Okay, I'm gonna come for desktop. rmdir is command for remove directory. I'm gonna remove directory. Okay, see here, the test directory is removed here. Okay, remove file like this, rm/rf if you give this command, this is a dangerous, one of the dangerous command in Linux. It will delete. Rm means remove, r means minus rf is forcing to remove. If this command is entered to some other computer, it will delete all their files. Mostly hackers will use it. Is one of the dangerous command in Linux. Okay, we're gonna create a file touch temp.txt. Okay, we can create here. This echo command is to print something like, okay, like echo is printing here hello. Yes, this can be redirected to temp.txt. okay, this hello command is pasted in temp.txt. we can see by cat temp.txt. see, hello is pasted here. Okay, then echo techno file. Now double arrow should be given to append. Append means to add to that hello command. See, it's to add. The double arrow is given to add. If you again give the single arrow means, wait, I will show. Just hi single arrow to temp.txt. now see the cat, it will delete. The single command is to paste and to delete the previously stored objects in the file. So double command is to append, double arrow is to append, single is to save the echo command but delete previously added commands. Okay, then cp command. Okay, we will first make a directory called text. Okay, cp command is to copy a file to a folder. Wait, cp temp.txt, this is copying to which folder it should go. Text. Okay, see here, ls. Okay, cd text, here ls. See here, in that newly created text file, it was here. Okay, I will show you again. I'm reviewing it. ls, nothing is there. I'm just copying temp.txt to test file. Now cd test, see here, the file is copied here. It is to copy, and me command for move. Okay, first I will delete this temp.txt. ls, nothing is there. I'm gonna come back here. mv command is to move the file to some other files. Okay, I have moved. See here, the temp file is not there. We can see in the test file, I have moved this file to here. Okay, this is the commands. And who am I command? Who am I? Command is used to know the which user we are using. I am using Kali user. You can change the Kali user's name also and click and put who am I to see the which user are you currently using. And Sudo command. Sudo command is used to take the super control. Like in Windows we will run as administrator, like that sudo command is used. Sudo update, we can do updates like this. DB database, this test folder like temp.txt will be not updated to the call index. If you shut down and again restart it, it will be deleted. We should update the database we are having. Without sudo it will not update. Wait, we can see here. See, update cannot open in the temporarily variable files. Okay, sudo update tp. Okay, it's asking for password. Waiting. Whenever you use this sudo command, it will be asking you the password of your user. Okay, now the database updated. No error is shown because of the administrator command sudo. Sudo is the master command used here. Okay, man ls is for manual ls commands. Man ls is for command to see what are the performance it can do. -a for minus all the commands, almost all. Do not listed implemented. Normal ls to show here. Wait, see, this many performance can be done using the ls command. Okay, like see, ls -a. See here, the 1 dot and the 2 dots are shown here. It are the hidden ls commands used in cd command to come back of the folders. Okay, and alias command is used to it is used to give a variable of a command. Wait, I will show here. Alias temp. Before that I will show temp. Like this command is not found. Alias temp equal to, we will command this we will perform this command using this temp. See, now it is performed. When we type temp, it is performing ls -a command. This is because of alias. It is allocating a variable with a command. It is saved as a command. Okay, then the history is to show what are the commands you have performed here. This will be shown by the history. We can delete the history. Okay, spelling is wrong. History -c is to clear all the history back. Wait, we can see that only history command that have put here. Now it will delete all the commands. Okay guys, thank you for watching.